so messy right now. Did a little quick Costco food run because I'm hungry, man. I'm at work. I'm on my break. Costco hot dogs are so cheap, dude. Literally, I got 2 for $3.25. I know some locations it's $3.50, but you know, every location's different. But if you really want to go the cheap route and still get that calories, get you some Costco hot dog. Cabin noises. I'm on my way to a buddy of mine's crib. We're gonna be meeting up at his house. I'm gonna be putting on my my NVIDIA exhaust axle back. Yeah,
I don't have to worry about shit.
I'm recording, by the way. It's for like a documentary. Is that cool?
All good.
This is oh yeah, what's the name?
His name's Artie.
Artie. Hi. Bro, I love cats. Smell.
Yeah, we got 2 of them.
Really?
Yeah, that's my son though.
Okay.
This is my son.
Okay.
Mr. Artemis, aka Artie.
Nice. So yeah, I'm gonna be finally putting these on. It's only been a week.
Yeah. Settling.
Yeah. You don't care if you're on camera, right? You're not camera shy. But yeah, my name is Russell. This is Ibrahim. This is his car over here, his bikes, and then he has a slammed 86, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh my, static?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is his. Yeah, man. If you guys live in Chicagoland area, you've guys probably seen this thing. Oh yeah, this thing is static. God damn, bro. Dude, he has to take me on a spin on this thing. Oh my god. It's so loud. The last time I did something to my car, bro, I think, what did I do? I think the fenders?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, man. I haven't touched my car in a minute.
Really? What was the recent thing that you've done to it? Oh, no. The headers?
Bro, probably the side mirrors.
Oh, really? Oh,
And that was when you were still working at Chopper, bro.
Yeah. I remember. Very good.
Alright. Yep, bro, this is gonna be a pain.
It's not coming off? Damn.
And, is it Origin Racing Line? I think it was like Racing Line or some shit. The original kit was called Super Duke.
Super doof.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear tail lights and everything.
Clear, bro.
Oh my god, dude. One day I want to have one of these. Like,
Yeah, they're hard to come by though, man.
Sylvia's, yeah. My dream Sylvia is the coupe, actually. This one. But with the full, like, actual, like, with the brick headlights and everything.
Yeah, man, fucking. I told myself if I was ever gonna get an X13, it had to be a coupe.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted a coupe with pop-ups.
Oh yeah. What is it called? One Via? Right? That's the other name of it? It's not still 80.
So, in Japan, yeah. Because the coupes are all Sylvias.
Mm-hmm.
All the hatches were technically called 180s.
Right.
So, I mean, just for reference, if you look at the back, it's a little nod that what I did.
Oh my
Instead
god.
of this. I mean, it's a little crooked, man. I fucked up when I placed it.
That is so cool.
Well, it was just like a little cool like detail.
Oh, of course it's a good, cool detail. And you got the brace bar in the back.
Yeah, and also in the front too.
Dude, oh my god. You know, there's these other cars that I seen on the road one time. It was a red. It looked like this, like a candy red and a dark blue. 4-door third two. I don't know. Well, they got one hanging. Damn. Single exit. Or not single exit, dual exit. There's a logo right there. NVIDIA. Let's go. So, with this one, apparently, the PLM, the sound of it is more like somebody screaming, and it's loud. This one is like a deeper tone.
Is it?
But it's still loud.
Yeah.
Apparently, that's what I was.
Well, I should ask, are we putting the silencers in or no?
Oh, of course not. Who does that? I'm just kidding.
Sure. Yeah, no, I got PLM headers in mine.
Oh, really?
It was
PLM
okay
headers?
quality.
Okay, okay. Dude, thank you so much, Abraham, for your help. Damn. Oh my god. Definitely looks cooler because it's a single. Okay, cool. But yeah, guys, this is the install. It's like when somebody knows how to work on your car better than you. Just kidding. Nah, he had the tools for it, so I asked him to help me out. He just ended up doing it. I'm just glad that I got this done already. Now I can hear what it sounds like. Yeah. Goodbye, old PLM. Boom. Now we got the dual exit. Now we got the dual exit. Kiri, over here, Kiri. Yeah, that's his one via. Ibrahim's one via. 86 over there. It's so cool. The actual key. It's cool.
It's good to know.
Alright, guys. Oh my god. That's cool. Wait, can you start it with the key?
No, I wish.
Oh, okay. I thought that's what you were about to do.
No,
okay.
no. Yeah, dude,
The
I was
life-
fucking salty.
The
when it
life
happened
of
to.
is the life of stance.
No, it's dude. Oh, all right, you want to hear some funny shit,
Okay.
bro? I matched with this one bitch on Facebook dating,
Oh, okay.
so I decided to go fucking meet up with her.
Okay.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I got catfished, big time.
Oh.
Bitch was like way bigger than what she perceived. If that makes sense.
Also on Torta shit.
Yeah, bro.
Damn.
I'm like, I mean, don't get me wrong. I like me a thick girl. Like, I don't mind.
Okay.
But not like, big.
Wait, don't tell me.
So let me get this. So
Bro.
I meet up with her, and I was supposed to help her move some shit from her storage unit.
Okay.
Bro, tell me why she sits in my fucking car, bro.
Right.
We go into whatever fucking storage unit there is, and I take the fucking driveway just like how I do any other fucking time. I angle it in.
Of course.
I'm not stupid, bro. I know what to fucking do.
Of course.
Bro, tell me why, because this bitch was probably like 230 pounds,
Oh,
and she's sitting on the passenger side.
Right.
Tell me why I fucking demolished the bumper going inside the fucking driveway.
Oh my god.
Bro,
And it's on this side too.
Yes, dude.
God damn, bro. I'm sorry about that, man. That's fucked up.
Bitch fucking ruined my mood, bro.
Oh, that would have ruined my mood too. Like, goddamn.
I'm like, I got catfish that came out that fucking help you fucking.
Dude, under the
Like,
lighting.
my issue is, bro, I watched like all the main.
Big.
It's like, I'm getting a feel for it.
Oh shit.
I'm like paranoid as shit because like the fucking off ramp's right there, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like we're right off the main road, bro. And I know cops are always here. It's just like one of those things we just have to hit it real quick and that's it. Oh, bro. It would help if I wasn't in second gear. Being this low speed. I was like, why the fuck is this not kicking out?
That's crazy, bro. shit! Oh shit! Okay. Just a little bit of a taste. Oh damn! Oh my god!
Oh, you never been drifting, bro?
I mean, kind of, but like, it just feels weird being in the passenger seat. Like, you know, you're not in
This is the
control.
first time I'm sliding with it too, with the headers too.
Oh, really? Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo.
I just don't like how there's so many curves. I'm trying to be careful.
Yeah, all that curve.
I could get a boogie with it, bro. I wish I had more space, you know what I mean? Because I'm like worried about these light posts. I'm worried about these fucking poles.
Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Holy shit. That was clean right there, bro. That was clean. Oh yeah, somebody's gonna call the cops. I've been craving this for so long already. This is like the struggle meal. I want to eat this with eggs. 2 eggs. I just drop 2 eggs in there and I'm good. It has the right amount of spiciness and a good amount of pizzazness. You feel me? It's so good. Alright, so how would I even describe the way this thing sounds? Alright, I won't lie, it literally sounds like the volume has been turned down. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little bit disappointed because I think I'm just a little used to my old ones. As you can see back there, I think I'm just used to the sound of it. I'm a little bit disappointed in the way this thing sounds right now because it's a little too quiet for me. I like the PLM because it's loud and raspy. Obviously, it's more raw. I feel like if I never had the PLM, I would have liked this thing because I've never had an exhaust before and blah blah blah. But my opinion, if you're not into like, if you don't want your car to be super loud, I would recommend the NVIDIA. It 100% cancels out the droning on the inside droning, the cabin droning or whatever. Which is, you know, it's pretty cool because like now I can probably like have a conversation with somebody in the car without trying to over sound my volume. If that makes any sense, but I like the way it looks, you know, that single dual exit. It does have a deeper tone. Oh dude, one more thing, the pops are not really there either. That's kind of why I'm a little bummed out. I want my pops, bro. Yeah, I guess you could say the car is less annoying. The way the NVIDIA sounds, it sounds respectful. It sounds it has a little bit of a mature, deep tone to it. Whereas the PLM, it's loud and obnoxious a little bit. But I would recommend daily usage, in my opinion, I'm gonna go with the PLM. So I just like it. Because I want to hear the pure sound of this thing. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you did not like the video, give it a like. Check out my socials right there at the top. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Out of sight, out of line, piped up, alkaline, she all on my mind. I was thinking about wife and her, no, never mind. It's
Right.